Check this out. Booyakasha! This is DayTraderRockStar coming at you. Alright, let's be serious here. It is late Friday night, and this is a YouTube video, and I'm about to storm upon you a really great kick-ass trade for this week. But not before we kind of review some setups that if you're not a member of Day Trading Radio, you probably missed. I mean, we were on top of the utility sector rotation this week. Everything that we kind of learn here at Day Trading Radio, talking about price divergence, stochastics, everything here played out perfectly. We got that nice divergence, higher low, channel line, some important candles playing out, the 200 period moving average, the convergence of indicators, awesomeness in the chart here. That kind of transferred over to the that was the Duke, and then of course we had the Dominion, which really outlined here as a great stochastic pullback little setup here. It's just like it just comes around, picks up the bus, moves back up, comes around, picks up the passengers, moves back up. Everything here normal. And we had a couple other ones here, ETR, I believe. Lower trend line, oversold stochastic. Look at the 3-day pop on these. All of these went out as alerts to the members of Day Trading Radio. But I'm not gonna bother you with that. That's just many of the 14 setups this week coming up. And I want to throw you one of the best ones out right now. One of the best ones out. That way, you guys, maybe I'll even do two because I'm in a good mood. I want to do two right now. I'm going to drink my water there. I sent this one out earlier. It was JBHT, not JBHT, Lululemon. Let's take a look at the Lululemon for you. All right, let me get this up for you and bring this over. All right, back here with you now. This is Lululemon. Love channels, love the convergence between the channels and the stochastics, and there's other things playing out here. There's again, some good support lines underneath us. The stock has been recently hit, so and it's kind of trending nice. It has some nice downtrend, small bars, not a real aggressive and choppy stock. So again, you can see a nice pullback here. Got us oversold again. Still maintaining those higher lows. Underlying trend line underneath us. I don't know if it's going to be hit or not, but there's a tremendous amount of intersecting trends here. We have a couple trend lines. If I zoom out on this. I don't know if you can actually zoom out here and see how this whole thing is playing out. This is going way out, so it might be hard to read into this. Yeah, it might not be the best chart. You have to see it on the regular members video. We break it down really good, so I apologize for that. But just getting back into it, definitely a downward channel that we're playing with here. We're playing with a downward channel, and it's classic setup, especially this underlying trend line right back out here. This matches up with this pivot area up here, pivot area up here. It makes this a beautiful 1-2-3 pattern. We've already tested it here. So another test of it down here would be key. So that 44.50 to 41.50 area would be our buy trigger. Now these are automatically placed on the site, daytradingradio.com, in the HPS zone, HPS site. And these are automatically alerted. As the price gets down to this level, you will get an email alert representing that, and you'll also get an alert if the profit or stop has been hit. These are great because all these setups are very similar in the way they form. We really concentrate on the convergence of indicators and the multiple time frames. So these are some of the best setups you will ever see. I'm going to give you one more, just because I'm kind of in a good mood here. Let's see if we actually have this here. There we go. This is Siemens, and I didn't mention this to anyone except, again, it is a member setup here. We call this a 1-2-3 pattern, a channel already forming, the 200 period moving average holding us right now. And again, because of this, on the video I go into talking about this 200 period moving average and the support line right back here, that 223.85. But the down here underneath the 200, there's a technique called the 200 EMA breakdown lower channel line bounce. One of my favorite setups when you have a good relationship of the trend line and the 200. Usually you see that breakdown, and a quality name that breaks down through the 200 early in its career, it always bounces back. We could even go back here to the last time This stock has been even down there, and you can see a breakdown through the 200 here, bounce back up. Breakdown through the 200 here, bounce back up. It doesn't stay underneath the 200 that long. So it's just it is a great setup when it does happen, and it looks like it's about to happen now. So this is one of the best bets going into the week. Only if we get that buy zone trigger. Again, you'll get that email, and you will get those targets, you'll get those stops, and you get all these stuff. Plus, there's 14 other stocks. It's very similar to this on this week's watch list. Monday, we have St. Paddy's Day. So tune in early because we're going to be doing a little St. Paddy's Day breakfast, and we'll be going over some more setups, and we'll be checking out what's going to happen with the Ukraine situation, and the Russians are going to have the vote on the succeeding from Ukraine, Crimea, and this could actually move the market. So this is an important topic of conversation. We'll be able to see that Sunday evening at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time is when the futures open up. You could actually view those here at Day Trading Radio, or you could just tune in the morning about 8:30. We take over the airways once again and bring you through the market. So we'll see you then. Have a great one. Have a happy St. Patrick's Day on Monday if I don't talk to you. But if you want to listen to some good Irish music and make some green cash, then tune in. I'll see you then.